Hi guys, in this video we are going to look through Rider. So JetBrains has officially released that Rider is now free for non-commercial use. So if you are using Rider to develop some personal projects or something like that, you should probably look into it. So in this video we are going to see how to install it, how to use it, and what it gets us. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like or subscribe, and let's start. So as you can see, if you go to pricing, we will see that it is free actually for non-commercial use. Okay, what do we get? A full-featured IDE for learning, for self-education, hobbies. So some anonymous data is collected, but that's fine. Okay, so let's see how to download it. Okay, I use Windows. Let's download this. Let's wait for this to finish. So I had downloaded the setup, I ran the exe, and I get this. Okay, where do I store it? Create desktop shortcut. Also, within folders and path. Okay. Install. Now it is installing. When it installs, I will come back to you. So after the setup finished, you will have probably to reboot your computer. I had to, and next, when I open it, we have this. So let's say free for non-commercial use. Okay, what do we have here? So non-commercial use is also when you're recording. That's you're kind of educating. Either do you get paid by that or you do it for free. It is also used as a non-commercial use. Okay, I agree. You need to register. So you'll have to register here. So after you successfully logged in and you have clicked on continue, you will have this. And I will not import theme. Okay. Probably this one, key map. I will go with this one. Let's see what is this. We have some plugins. Maybe AI assistant. We will add it. Okay. Well, the good thing about Rider is that it comes with default formatter. So it's not the one ReSharpier that we have been installing, but it comes with a C#ier. That's even better, and it is integrated. In Visual Studio, we had to install. Actually, you have to pay for that. In here, you get it for free. Okay, let's now start our project. So now, when you have chosen your project where you stored it, we have successfully ran it. Okay, so as you can see, that is it. We have our, for example, application domain infrastructure web API project. We have controllers, apartment. Let's go maybe to apartment controller. In here, we have the class. We have everything here. The pros of this using this one rider actually, it is a lot faster. It is much faster. It is bundling and starting the applications. It is using the C# here in the that is, as I said, that is built in, and that for me is a drastic change. Because of that, we will be using Rider in the future for development of our project. So, thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you liked the video. If you liked it, please leave a like or subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.